What's the meaning of Chief of Air Staff? Chief of Air Staff. Chief of Air Staff.
Chief of Air Staff. Chief of Air Staff. The Chief of Air Staff is a senior military officer who serves as the head of the Air Force for a particular country or organization. This individual typically holds the highest rank in the Air Force and is responsible for overseeing the operations, training, and administration of the Air Force. The Chief of Air Staff works closely with other military officials and government leaders to develop and implement policies related to national defense and security. In summary, the Chief of Air Staff is an important figure in ensuring the readiness and effectiveness of a country's Air Force.